Ever wanted to know what younger women find incredibly sexy about older guys? Well, in today's video, we're diving into these alluring qualities and revealing what makes them so attractive. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use the tips to improve your approach to attracting her. And keep an eye out for the exclusive bonus tip towards the end of our discussion. It's a key element that ties together all the points we'll cover, but also adds a unique perspective on the appeal of older men. This tip is essential for anyone looking to understand the depth of this attraction fully. Make sure you stay with us till the end for this insightful revelation. 1. Confidence. When it comes to what younger women find alluring in older men, confidence often tops the list. But what exactly is it about this confidence that's so captivating? Older men typically possess a natural confidence, something that's been refined and strengthened over the years through a bunch of life experiences. They aren't merely self-assured. Older men have a deeper sense of knowing themselves, and they understand life's complexities and navigate them with an ease that only comes with time. This kind of confidence is magnetic to younger women. This confidence manifests in many ways. It's in the calm, collected manner older men handle challenging situations, the ease with which they express their thoughts and feelings, and their ability to make decisions with conviction. Younger women often find this stability and certainty in who they are and what they want incredibly attractive. What's attractive about older men is also the wisdom they have gained over the years and the personal growth that comes with it. This type of self-confidence provides a sense of security, and when you compare it to the uncertain stages of younger life, it becomes why that stability might attract a younger woman. 2. Maturity. Now, let's move on to why maturity in older men is one of their sexier qualities. It's a trait that's like a fine wine, getting better and better with age. But what exactly about maturity makes it so appealing to younger women? Let's take a closer look. When we talk about maturity in older men, we're talking about the richness of their life experiences and the emotional depth they bring to the table. It's this emotional maturity and stability that's a game changer. Unlike the chaos and insecurity of younger men, the maturity of older men provides a sense of security and balance. They are able to understand the other person's emotions and handle them with grace and empathy. Younger women often find this emotional maturity in older men refreshing. They need someone who can navigate both the highs and lows of life with a steady hand. Older men are also able to have deep, meaningful conversations, give sound advice, and are a rock in challenging times. Emotional stability in a partner is reassuring. It's knowing that you're with someone who's been through various life scenarios and has come out wiser. In a world where everything is constantly changing, the maturity of older men stands out as a pillar of strength and reliability. Never underestimate the attractiveness of this quality. 3. Communication skills. Communication is key in any relationship, and older men often bring a masterclass in this skill. But what makes their communication so attractive to younger women? Let's unwrap this. Well-developed communication skills in older men aren't just that they are good talkers. It's their ability to listen, really listen, that sets them apart. They can engage in conversations that aren't just surface level, but have depth and substance. This doesn't mean heavy or serious topics all the time, but the ability to dive into a variety of subjects with insight and interest. Imagine sitting across from someone who not only hears what you're saying, but understands and responds thoughtfully. They can exchange ideas, share stories, and have those long, deep conversations that seem to make time stand still. This kind of interaction is incredibly attractive to younger women, who often seek meaningful connections. Older men have had more time to hone their listening and speaking skills, making them excellent conversationalists. They know when to offer advice, when to simply listen, and how to use words to comfort, inspire, and engage. This level of communication isn't like exchanging surface-level words with a younger man. This type of communication goes deeper to on an emotional level, making it a profoundly attractive trait that goes beyond mere words. I hope you're finding these insights interesting. If so, why not spread a little appreciation? Hitting that like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing to the channel would mean the world. Thank you for being an essential part of this adventure. 4. Life experience. Now, let's turn our attention to the fascinating life experiences that older men bring to the table. What is it about their diverse backgrounds and the stories they tell that younger women find so captivating? The life experiences of older men are like pages from a well-traveled journal, each chapter brimming with unique stories, lessons, and wisdom. These anecdotes are narratives shaped by a myriad of experiences, ranging from thrilling adventures to profound personal growth. For younger women, this is like having a front-row seat to a live, richly lived history. Imagine being captivated by stories that transport you to different places, times, and emotions. These moments can be touching and captivating, making older men more attractive. What's more is older men have a way of weaving their experiences into conversations that are not just about imparting wisdom, but also about sharing a part of themselves. This wealth of life experience adds a depth to their personality that younger women often find irresistible. It's not just the experiences themselves, but the lessons learned and the maturity gained. These stories provide a window into a life lived fully, offering a blend of inspiration, perspective, and often a touch of intrigue. This unique combination of experience and the wisdom that comes with it is what makes older men so compelling to younger women. 5. Style and grooming. Let's address a very important aspect and step into the world of style and grooming, where older men often lead the way with their refined approach. Older men often showcase a sense of style that's both timeless and distinguished. They don't simply follow the latest fashion trends. Over time, they understand what works for them and own it with confidence. This could mean a well-tailored suit that fits like a glove, or casual wear that's put together with an eye for detail. Their style speaks of a life well-lived and a self-awareness that's incredibly appealing. Grooming is another arena where older men tend to excel. They understand the importance of looking well-kempt, whether it's a neatly trimmed beard, a classic haircut, or just being well-groomed in general. This attention to grooming hints at self-respect and the need to present oneself in the best possible light. Younger women often find this elegance in style and grooming very attractive. It's a signal of a man who takes pride in his appearance, not to impress others, but as a reflection of his own standards. This blend of style and grooming exudes a charm that's both sophisticated and effortlessly cool, making older men stand out in the most attractive way. 6. Financial stability. Now let's talk about financial stability, a characteristic often associated with older men. But why is this aspect so alluring, especially to younger women? Let's dive into the essence of this appeal. Financial stability in older men can be about the accumulation of wealth over the years, but also about the sense of security and balance it brings. This stability comes from years of hard work, smart decisions, and learning from life's ups and downs. While flaunting one's wealth might not necessarily be attractive, younger women enjoy the peace of mind and the comfort that comes with financial security that older men are willing to provide them. The reason this financial stability is attractive is because it often translates into a less stressful life. Maybe it's about seeking a luxurious lifestyle, but the allure that lies in the ability to enjoy life without the constant worry about financial issues is more important. Younger women can have the freedom to make choices, whether it's traveling, exploring new hobbies, or simply enjoying the finer things in life. Older men with financial stability tend to be more relaxed and focused on enjoying life, which in turn makes them more attractive. They are able to offer a stable and secure environment, which can be incredibly appealing to someone looking for a solid foundation in a relationship. This sense of security is a powerful aspect of the attraction younger women feel towards older men. And now, for the bonus tip that adds an extra layer of charm to older men, a good sense of humor. Let's uncover why a well-developed, mature sense of humor is such a major plus. A sense of humor in older men is more than mere cracking jokes or being the life of the party. They have a mature, witty approach to life that can turn even mundane moments into joyful experiences. This type of humor comes from a life rich in experiences and the wisdom to not take everything too seriously. For younger women, a man who can bring laughter and lightness into their lives is incredibly attractive. They don't want to just laugh. They want to see the lighter side of life, which can be both refreshing and endearing. A well-developed sense of humor often signifies intelligence, creativity, and a positive outlook on life. This kind of humor is appealing because it creates a comfortable, enjoyable atmosphere. They can share laughs, enjoy each other's company, and create a bond beyond physical attraction. A man who can make a woman laugh is a man who can make her feel at ease, and this quality is a true gem in any relationship. So, gentlemen, remember, a good laugh goes a long way in winning hearts. Now that you know what younger women find sexy in older men, what's next for you? Discover the weird things women do to attract you, or learn the seduction skills you need to master. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.